puzzles.
We're gonna do puzzles?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Do this one.
You like puzzles?
I want to do this one.
You gonna do this one first? Okay, let's do this one first. We're gonna be learning about shapes and animals and what
Yeah.
kind of sounds they make, huh?
Switch.
Oh, you're gonna switch them all? Uh-oh, it's a mess. Oh no. We gotta find all the missing animals, okay?
Yeah.
Well, we gotta go by their sound, okay? What does the mouse make? Yeah? Good job. What color is it?
Red.
What color? What about the chicken? What color?
Green.
What does the chicken do? Cluck, 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 cluck. Good job.
Red.
Oh, the frog. What color is the frog?
Red.
What color is it?
Green.
Yeah? What's that? A pig?
Oink.
Yep. What color?
Yellow.
What is it called? What is this?
Oink.
Yeah, but what animal is it? Pig.
Pig. Froggy. What's this sweater?
Yep, that one's a froggy. And what's this one? It's a mouse.
Yes.
And this one is a...
Chicken.
Yep. What's that one that you got in your hand? That's a sheep. Right. Where's it go? No, it says ba. What color is it?
Orange.
Yeah. It's a bumblebee. What does it do?
A thing.
It stings you. What sound does it make? Yeah. Oh no, it's gonna sting me. What color is the bumblebee?
Orange.
Yep.
A dog.
It's a dog. What noises does he make?
Woof.
Yep. What color?
Brown.
Yep. What's this one?
Meow.
Yep. What is it though?
Cat.
Yep. What color?
Orange.
Yep. Light orange. Good job. What is that one?
Snake.
The snake. What does the snake do? Yeah. What color?
Yellow.
Good job.
It's white yellow.
Light yellow. What about this one?
A hippo.
That's not a hippo. That's a cow.
Cow.
What does the cow make?
The
It makes milk. But what is it? What noises does he make? Moo. Yeah. What color is it?
blue. White blue.
Light blue. Good job. High five. Yeah. Next one. Let's do the shapes. What shape you got right now? What shape is that?
Heart.
Heart. What color?
Heart red.
Red. Yes.
And
And it says
boom,
boom boom. Yeah. What's that one?
A
That's a hexagon. Can you say hexagon?
hexagon.
Yep. What color is the hexagon?
Pink.
Yeah. Yep. That's a yellow what?
A circle.
Good job. What's that one?
A square.
A square. What color is it?
Orange.
Yep. What's that one? Like twinkle twinkle little star?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how me.
You're so cute. What color is it?
Apple.
Yes, ma'am. All right. What's the next one? That's a diamond.
Diamond.
What color?
Green.
Yeah. That is a...
Triangle.
Yeah.
Triangle red.
That's gray.
White blue.
Light blue. And it is a...
White.
It's kind of like that one, yeah.
White one.
But that one's a pentagon. Can you say pentagon?
Pieces gone.
Yep. You did it. You fixed them all. You put them in the right spots. High five. Good job. Next, we're doing
This.
more animals. Oh no, they're gone, Ava. Oh no. Which one goes there? No. 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 No, that's too big. No, that's too big too. You found it! What is that?
Monkey.
What does the monkey make? Ooh, Yeah. Oh, we're doing this one? What's that? It's a flamingo. Okay, let's see if we can find it. That's not it.
Say no.
No. No. No. No. You found it! What is that?
No.
A flamingo?
A bird.
That is a toucan. That's not it. No. 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 Yes, that one works. That's a toucan. This one tweets in the jungle. Do you know what this one is?
A hippo.
It's a hippo. No, that one's not a hippo. No, that's not a hippo. It's too big.
Look.
Yep, he found it.
A hippo.
A hippo. Let's do this one. What's this one? Tiger? No. 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 Yeah. That's the tiger. It goes right here. Good job. That one says roar, right?
I want to this one.
This one? Okay. What's that one? What is this one?
Elephant.
An elephant? No. Yes. You know what an elephant makes? Yep. With its nose? You're so silly. I love you. So we're gonna do next. Let's do this one. Okay. Do you know what this one is? No, it's not that one. Yeah, it's a zebra. And all we got left is the alligator. Yay, you did it. Good job. We did all the puzzles. Did you have fun? We learned a lot of stuff, huh? We learned shapes and animals and animal noises. Did you have fun doing it? Okay, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.